In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video on Shopify homepage. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to feature a video right on your main storefront, helping you showcase products, tell your brand story, or highlight promotions in a really engaging way. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This will open your themes page, where you'll see a list of all your themes, with your current live theme at the very top. On that current theme, click Edit Theme, or it may appear as Customize, depending on your interface. This will open the Theme Editor, which is where you'll design your homepage. Inside the Theme Editor, focus again on the left panel, which shows all the sections that make up your homepage. Under the template area, look for the option to add a new section and click Add Section. A pop-up will appear with a list of section types you can add. Scroll until you find video, then select it. A new video section will be added to your page layout, and you can drag and drop it within the left panel to move it higher or lower on the homepage, depending on where you want it to appear. Next, click directly on this newly added video section to open its settings. Here you can customize how the video looks and behaves. Start by editing the heading text to something that matches your content, like "Watch our story" or "See our product in action." You can also adjust the heading size from small all the way to extra large to make it more subtle or more attention grabbing. You'll see a toggle to loop the video. Turn this on if you want the video to play repeatedly, or off if you prefer it to stop after one play. For the video source, you can either use a Shopify hosted video or embed a video URL. In this walkthrough, choose the option to add a Shopify hosted video by clicking Select. A pop-up will open showing your media library. Choose the video you want, then click Done in the bottom right corner. Add descriptive video alt text to improve accessibility and help with SEO. You can also choose whether the section should be full width, pick a color scheme that matches your brand, and fine-tune the top and bottom padding to control how much space surrounds the video. Under theme settings, you can adjust the overall page width and decide whether to reveal sections on scroll for a more dynamic feel. If you're comfortable with styling, there's also an option to add custom CSS for advanced visual tweaks. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the live preview on the right side. This lets you see exactly how your homepage video will look and behave. Take a moment to play the video in the preview and make sure it loads properly, loops as expected, and fits nicely within your layout. Once you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. That's it. Your video is now added to your Shopify homepage and ready for your visitors to watch.